Hey guys, it's Gilman to Go here. We're on a little bit of a different bug hunt because we're actually floating down a river. Look where we're about to go for.
Nice one, dude. We nailed this one.
Oh, because I didn't get it.
You didn't get what? There you are. Look at this. Here it goes. Woo!
Just went through all those currents. We're about to go down one, and if you look up at the sky back there, they're about to get poured on, so I'm glad we're not over there. And if you know, Xander is over there with my mom.
Come on! Come on! Oh no!
They're everywhere! Daddy, you're gonna love it.
Oh yeah.
Dad, can I look a walk?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go check.
Xander.
Oh yeah!
You don't even need a tube. Here we go. Second one.
Flamingo tree. Woo! Really hit that one. Oh! Look, we're going on the wrong curve.
No, we're not. This is going to be perfect. And here it is. Here it goes.
Oh, we're going fast. We're going to go fast.
Woo!
Whoa. Yay, finally it's starting to get windy. Oh, which way are we supposed to go? No. Lots. It actually feels pretty good. Hey! Really? We have to go through the net. Two. You ready? One. Baby! What's this way?
We left him. Oh no! It's a river monster!
Yeah.
Ah!